जय हिंद। I Cadet Mayank Chaube from 2UP EME Company NCC PHU Varanasi Group A UP Directorate. Today I am here to give my review and feedback about DG NCC Training App, which was launched on 27 of August 2020 by Honorable Defence Minister Shri Rajnath Singh Ji and DG NCC Lieutenant General Rajiv Chopra. I would like to share my experience with DG NCC Training App. While this world is suffering from COVID-19 pandemic, it is not possible to conduct offline classes. So every teaching institute has switched to online medium of teaching. Our NCC institutional training is also being conducted online. In addition to it, DG NCC Training App helped me a lot. By the time I started using DG NCC Training App, it becomes very helpful for us to access NCC study materials because whatever I need, it is already available in this app, like history about NCC, specialized and common subjects syllabus for all wings and divisions, training videos, and many more things. This app helped me a lot in my B certificate examination. Apart from this, there is a query section available in this app. In my opinion, some improvements that can be added in this app, such as NCC B and C certificate sample papers should be available in this app that gives idea about the examination to the cadets. There should be an article section regarding defense news, which is helpful for NCC cadets for their future examination, and also guidelines for SSB interview process, which is helpful for future in the NCC cadets. So this is the opinion and feedback about DG NCC Training App according to me. Thank you. Jai Hind.